Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining this week's edition of the Lowdown While on Lockdown. My name is Rick Morrison, and I'll be discussing the ILP Value Square Canopy fixture. The Value Square series is an ideal solution for replacing existing canopy or parking garage fixtures. From CFL to 250-watt metal halide, Value Square's energy-efficient design results in energy savings up to 85%, with prices that allow customers to quickly meet their financial payback thresholds. Serving a broad range of applications from parking structures to pavilions, the versatile Value Square series provides a seamless retrofit solution with its 10-inch wide housing designed to cover most existing housing footprints. The Value Square Canopy delivers the features you need. It features a rugged die-cast housing. The fixture is also rated IP65. It's available with 0 to 10 volt dimming, has a 3% uplight that eliminates that cave effect. Voltage packages available for this fixture include 120, 277, and 347 to 480 volt. Mounting is simple. It installs via 3/4 inch conduit or a quick surface mounted bracket that allows mounting without ever opening the fixture. Lumen packages available run between 5,000 to over 8,000 lumens. Quite a versatile fixture. The Value Square Canopy comes with a couple distribution options. A standard diffused medium lens helps eliminate glare and optimizes the delivered light for visually comfortable illumination. The other is a prismatic wide lens that was designed specifically for parking garage applications to maximize fixture spacing and reduce fixture counts for the maximum return on investment. The Value Square Canopy fixture also has an optional microwave sensor that provides 360-degree motion detection, discreetly installed behind the lens, keeping the fixture clean and a slim profile design, while also providing security and energy savings. Here are some great applications for the Value Square Canopy fixture: walkways, building perimeters, loading docks, entrances, stairways, carports, and last but not least, parking garages. I want to thank you for joining us. I hope you found the video valuable. If you have any questions, please contact your local CTAC sales representative. Have a great day.